Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this short video, I will be talking about why I bought more of NNDM or nanodimension stock. If you remember, I made a video about this company a few days ago and more than a month ago. If you haven't seen them or just one of them, definitely check them out. I spent a good amount of time making them, and if you'd like to find more information about this company or just summarize what you already know, it's not bad from time to time to revise what the company does, what is their progress and such. Anyways, in both of them I had the same thesis, that with their current situation it is almost a no-brainer to buy in. And what happened today? When I looked at my newsfeed, I found out that Nano announced it has entered into a definitive agreement with investors for the sale of 35 million of the company's American Depository Shares ADS at a price of $9.5 per ADS pursuant to a registered direct offering. The gross proceeds of the offering will be approximately $332.5 million before deducting placement agent fees and other estimated offering expenses. The company intends to use these net proceeds for working capital and for other general corporate purposes and pursuing strategic opportunities, including possible business combination transactions. The closing of the registered direct offering is expected to take place on or about January 19, 2021, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. Nanodimension keeps selling shares left and right. That is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. So, in a nutshell, the more shares the company sells, the more the stock loses its value for current stockholders. On the other hand, companies usually sell their stocks when they plan to expand, and in Nanodimension case there must be a huge expansion in the future coming up. We know that CEO said in one of his interviews that they are looking to acquire companies. That's why they are raising so much money. Talking about money, I did some quick math, and from half of October till today they raised total of $989 million. Almost $1 billion could be right now in cash in their balance sheet, if they have not spent a single dollar, of course. I don't blame NNDM doing this, because most of the companies do this when they have really strong uptrend and they expect it to keep it this way, which is definitely Nanodimension's case, because they are doing almost regularly direct offerings because their stock just keeps going up and for a good reason. With no competition in their niche, they can afford it since they are going to have a really bright future from now on. As their CEO mentioned in the interview, if there is going to appear some kind of competition, they will use their money to acquire the company. Therefore, they will kill two birds with one stone. Not only they will get rid of the competition, but it will also drastically add to the value of the company itself. Just like when Facebook bought Instagram or Google bought YouTube, etc. So is Nanodimension still a buy? Well, as Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Right now the stock is on 10% sale, so obviously I bought some more shares with hopes of seeing more share dilution in the future, since it is definitely not a bad thing. Yeah, in the short term you're like, oh man, this company just made my shares less valuable, but after they acquire the company, use it for mass production or etc., you will be like, oh nice, my shares gained bigger value than before the dilution. So at the end of the day, I'm just happy that the stock is doing well and that the company is making themselves in better position every time they sell their shares or some of their shares. In the long term, it's actually a really great thing, and I'm all about long-term investing. So if you want to become richer this year and I brought you some value, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos, and click on that thumbs up as well. Both helps me out and mean a lot to me. Let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. Are you looking to get in when it dips even more? Or do you want to see another stock dilution? I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.